The origins of broth are steeped in history, dating back to early civilizations. It was a time when nothing went to waste, and even bones and vegetables were simmered to create nourishing, flavorful liquids. This practice of extracting flavors and nutrients laid the foundation for what we know as broth today. Crafting the perfect broth is an art in itself. It usually involves simmering bones, meat scraps, or vegetables in water, allowing the flavors to marry over time. A dash of seasoning enhances the taste, creating a concoction that's both comforting and nourishing. Broth's influence extends beyond borders, finding a place in culinary traditions worldwide. From the collagen-rich bone broths of East Asia to the clear aromatic consommes of French cuisine, broth dons different avatars, each unique and delightful. Its versatility is truly remarkable. Broth forms the backbone of soups, stews, sauces and gravies, and can easily be tailored to suit various dietary preferences. It is as much at home in a hearty winter stew as it is in a delicate sauce. But broth isn't just a culinary hero, it's a nutritional champion too. Packed with vitamins, minerals and gelatin, it supports gut health, promotes healthy joints and bolsters the immune system, making it a worthy addition to any diet. In essence, broth is more than just a flavorful liquid. It is a testament to the artistry of cooking and the preservation of tradition. Whether enjoyed as a warming drink or used as a base in elaborate dishes, broth's appeal is timeless, satisfying palates and nourishing souls across generations.